Advocate Bapu Saheb Bhonde High School welcomes you all to a digital school. I am your new craft teacher, Tasneem. I will teach you craft subject. So let's get ready for some folding fun. Now kids, what is origami? Have you heard it? It is an art to transform or to make sculptures or shapes through folding techniques. Craft papers are of many colors. Many varieties are available in the market, big or small. Many are colored on one side and white on the other side. Some are of different colors, which is colored on either sides or one colored on both the sides. So come on, now let us know some basic paper folds which will help us to create new sculptures in future. Now these simple folds form the base of many of the origami craft. Once you are easy with these folds, you will be well on your way to folding simple origami craft. So let's begin. First one is a valley fold. You have to be careful about this fold. You have to fold the paper in half with the colored side facing upwards. Neatly press the paper on the fold and join the ends of the paper perfectly. So it forms a valley, hence it is called a valley fold. The second is a mountain fold. Fold it the same way you did it in the valley fold. That is, into half, and the edges should meet perfectly. But here it stands upright and it is called a mountain fold. So children, today we are going to learn about origami house. How to make origami house with the help of these folds. Use the basic mountain fold and we will continue ahead. I will show you a video too. These are the steps you have to follow to make this house. Okay children? Now we will see the video. Look at the video carefully. So now children, let's begin with origami house. Use the basic mountain fold. That means fold from center and join the edges carefully. Just have a look. Join the edges perfectly and pressed from the center. Then open it again. Open the paper. Now you got one outer line in center and two parts. So we will fold the half part to the center crease we just created. This way it should be neatly in the same line with the center, and then if you are satisfied with that, then press the paper. Same way on the other side. You got a rectangular shape. Now turn the paper and again fold it into half from the center. First join the edges perfectly. If you are satisfied that the edges are joined, then press from the center. It should be very sharp edges. It should have a sharp edges. Now open the paper and you got a center line again. The same way you will join the edges to the center line perfectly, and then press the paper. Be careful with the point. See how sharp our point has to be. Now we will do the same way on the other side. Are you enjoying and following me, kids? If you are not following this video, see it again and again. Now kids, we are at a tricky part. Just look carefully. Put the thumb or a finger into the fold and just create a triangle. You will get a form of triangle. Do it on both the sides. Just flip over, and here, just have a look. Just flip over the paper, and hey, have a look. You're done. Now what is remaining here? A door to move in a house, and a window to see through. Do this craft with any craft paper and stick in your rough book or old drawing book. Like and subscribe for such crafty ideas. Thank you for watching.